for this, I've got this animation. It's already been parented, so I'm gonna unparent them here. I'm also gonna color them. I'm using shortcut keys. They used to be, they would show shortcut keys here. So I have shortcut keys for some of the main colors: red, yellow, black. I have black. Black's not a standard or default color. Neither is white. But they have. I set up alt. Um, alt P would be purple. Alt O would be orange. Alt Y would be yellow. Alt R would be red. Yeah. So you will want to set these up because that's a quick way to change colors. And then the Shift G is to select label color group. So lots of users don't do that, and it's a bit unfortunate. So I'm going to Shift G that will select all the yellow and the timeline. I'm going to Control or Command click once, and that removes the parenting. So now we've got this happening. A lot of all the help you need for each and every one of these options is here. I'm going to show you the interesting ones. Now, if you control click here, this option has a checkbox. If you notice, and this one also, if you hold down control and click, that will select the radio button and its checkbox. It's the same here. If I hold control, click, you'll select the radio button and its checkbox, and you can shift control now. But I haven't selected anything, so I'm gonna drag this. I'm gonna enable layer handles so you can see what's happening. So these guys are not animated, these guys are. And I've set up the timeline such that there are two groups of layers, as you can see. These guys belong up here, these guys belong here. Okay, so sorry, I'm selecting this option actually. This option, alright? If you click here, it will tell you sorts by stack order, divides the selection into two halves, and parents the bottom half to the top half. And then if you invert, it'll be the other way around. Alright? So in this case, I want the bottom half to be the parents, not the top half. So when you do a while selection like this, or a marquee selection, the script knows you've got two groups. Alright? And there must be equal number, of course. Right? And you've got options here whether to warn you or not. Now I want to do shift parenting, so I will enable that. And that's it. I can shift parent, shift click here. Boom. So I click here and shift H. Shift H is my shortcut key to show, to toggle show layer controls and hide layer controls. And now they will move as a group. Alright, so that's a quick way to shift parent. Another nice option is to create centered nulls. So I'm just gonna duplicate this guy, send it up the timeline. Whoops. Where are you? There you are. I'm gonna make it 3D. My shortcut is Control Shift 3. Let's duplicate it. Shift H to show layer controls. Okay, it's got movement. I'm just going to remove the keyframes for now and move one of them up here. So this utility here, parenting utility, creates a centered null. If it's a 3D layer involved, it will create a 3D null. If only 2D layers, then you get a 2D null. So this guy is centered between these two guys. But you know what? I'm going to undo because I'm going to push one of them behind. Okay. so that it's a bit more clear what I'm doing. So now this guy is in the middle. I should actually change my 3D view, but it's After Effects is so weird, right? They hide the buttons, you know. I don't understand why they hide the UI. So that's one layer. That's another, and as you can see, our Null Parent is in the middle. So this is really useful because now you can do 3D orbiting and it's so easy, right? And it's perfectly centered.